Hey guys, today we're going to show my cat what he does all the time. Oh my god, my nose is sore. Let me show you guys. So he, is right now right there. It's cold here. Why are you out here? It's really cold. Can you do that, camera? Oh. I should be recording right now, should I? Okay, what are you doing? Hey, oh god. Oh, ew, what is cat? What the? Come here, puppy. Come here. That's your puppy. Ew, cat, go away. That guinea thing is. Ew. Isn't that right? Disgusting. I better not sit on my bed. Oh. Okay, I'm come on here. I'm just gonna close the door. Oh my god, that's disgusting. I ain't even being recording that. I'm being disgusting. Oh, over here. Yeah, that's really pretty disgusting. I know, right? Really appreciate them. Oh, look at you. Oh, grown up. Today, you're going to be, never mind. This isn't coffee. Gosh, that's what we're going to cry right now. Yeah, probably that. Okay, what's a nail? Can you cry? No, not okay. Okay. You better be okay when I come back. What? Oh, I feel better. La 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 la. Oh, you feel better. Great. Oh, do I sound that? I don't know. I mean, it's helpful for me to be. That's disgusting. I know, right? It's so disgusting. Let me see those nose. Why would you do that? This is disgusting. Are you okay, Mead? You said you're right. I am right. I don't know why you like that. No, I don't know. Look at the camera. What do you say to me? Nothing. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? You shut up. See, let's see. You're really sick. Yeah, I mean, you need to really go to bed. I mean, it's not that good. We gotta go to bed, so you really gotta go to bed. Yeah. I should have gone to bed because how am I gonna go to bed if you don't only know it? can you like color? You can use crayons, markers, and color pencils. Oh, I love color pencils. Okay. Where are the color pencils? Give me all the colors. Okay. Can you open it? Yeah, I can get it. What am I trying to see what's sticking in it? Let me try. So these are just a few. Do you want to take one off? What did you do? Put it on me! Okay. Put it on my back. Okay. Now that. Oh my god, I can't wait to see it. Well, you don't have to. It's amazing. Thank you, Judge. Okay. My one next. Okay, let's put this one back. Tell us which one you want to buy, okay? Okay. Okay, let's put the next one on. This is going to be really pretty. Really pretty. I think you'll like this as your logo. What? Nothing. Let's comment down below if this is a good logo. Please say yes. Does it look ugly? No, does it? Oh, okay. I love it then. We're still looking at it. When everyone's coming. One more. Okay. I hope it's pretty. Okay. Oh no. Okay, there should be all colors. This bookmark. Ow. What color it is. Go thinking, oh, wait, you can't care. And look. Oh my gosh, I was wrong. Let me do it to you now. Okay. You try to get my favorite color. Right. Okay, pick. Okay, I pick gold and silver. You're correct. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, your turn. Okay, I think pink is you really like pink. No, you've got one more. What was that? Mint and blue. Oh, that's sad. Okay, okay. camera. Okay. My turn. Don't tell her I actually cheated. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go for my boy. Video. Bye. Bye. But I